So please, he said you may. Her pants were tight and that's okay. If she would dance, I would DJ. We took a walk down to the bay. I hope she'll say, hey, me and you should hit the hay. I asked her out, she said no way. I should've probably guessed her gay. So I broke north with no delay. I heard she moved real far away. That was 2 years ago this May. I seen her just the other day, jocking Mike D to my dismay.